Have you ever been in Lebanon? Check out this Lamborghini that DMC has there. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. Really glad that you tune in here every week. Today we're back in the DMC office in Bangkok. We still can't travel too much. You know, that COVID thing I think is keeping not only us here in Thailand busy, but really the whole world. I really can't wait to go back to Hong Kong, back to Germany, our head office. But you know what, in the meantime, we have really awesome and good partners, and not only partners, but also friends and photographers around the world that send us really sweet photos and videos. Today I'm really proud to show you one of the projects that we've done in Lebanon, Beirut. Recently they have been in the news for that big explosion. Really sorry to hear that. Hope everybody over there is fine. But today let's talk about something really awesome. That's the DMC Aventador that our project partner over there has done. There's a company in Lebanon called Ferrari Motors. They're the exclusive DMC importer. You might have seen some of the projects they've done over there. They have helped us with a G-Class, which I want to show here. They have done a couple of other projects with us before, but today they sent us some videos and some photos from the Aventador that they've done over there. It's not a complete package. They've chosen some bits and pieces which they put together, but I think the total outcome is really sick, really awesome, especially if you consider the exhaust that they've put in there. But come on, let's have a look at the car. Now this is the car. You've seen the beautiful DMC Techno wing on there. That wing, I mean, DMC is famous for our multi-velocity package, but that package is already what, like 12 years old? So this is a wing that we started developing about 3 to 4 years ago, but it has only been like really started to roll out about 2 years ago. So basically what we did, the wing, the Techno wing, Techno as in technology, it has an hydraulic style approach which we adopted. We got a heavy inspiration from the Bugatti. If you look at the Bugatti wing, you see that hydraulic effect style here is just so sweet, beautiful, and we thought that would really look very wonderful on the Lamborghini Aventador as well. That's what we did. And if you look carefully on those legs, there's also an S shape around those hydraulic legs. That's because we actually originally developed this wing for the Aventador S, so give some homage to the Lamborghini designers over there in Italy. But the wing, of course, it also fits onto the regular Aventador, and it has, in the last, I would say, 12 to 24 months, it has really started to pick up. It's a wing that you don't see everywhere. I think this is one of the unique selling points. Of course, it looks awesome, it looks special. It has this mechanical industrial design approach, but most important, it's not the regular style that everybody uses. I have to say, I am a bit sad, of course, when I mentioned that the DMC multi-velocity wing, you can see it on so many cars, but actually recent few years there has been so many copies. And these copies are not only sold in the East, in the West as well. People use it. I'm so sad about this. But with the Techno wing, come on, let's forget the sad news. And also my friend said, if they copy you, that means you're successful. So that's true as well. But so now the new wing we did, the Techno wing, it really started to pick up. And you don't see that everywhere. It's really special, it's rare. Hope you like it as much as we do. And then also if you look down there of the wing, this is the massive, really massive bumper and diffuser change. This is not one part, the whole rear fascia of the car actually has been changed. So you see here is the bumper, completely made from carbon fiber now from DMC. Under the bumper you have the diffuser with these massive fins, which we have been inspired by the Lamborghini Centurion a while ago. It's beautiful. Now you might know this diffuser. Actually, it also has appeared in a similar variance on our Edizione GT package. This one here is a little bit different. See if you can see the differences, and let me know in the comments below. But it's massive. And then in addition to that, now let's roll the video one more time. We may have shown you already, but let's roll that video one more time, but with sound. I waited until now because come on, let's hear it. And that's just standing. Can we also hear that, please, when the car is driving? Whoa, what a massive sound. So that's it, guys. I really love this video. If you loved it as well, please let us know in the comments. Leave us a like or a thumbs up depending on the platform where you watch this. If you don't like it, you know the drill. Please leave it a thumbs down, but most important, leave us comments down there below and tell us what you didn't like. Of course, welcome, and most important, leave us comments even if you did like it, and give us some more feedback. Tell us what you like to see so we can make tailored content really for you. Let me say thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And we'll also show you here next to me, probably have to move over a little bit. We'll also show you here next to me what you can do to follow us on the other platforms. And one important thing is, which you can see here, please turn on notifications so you see when we upload a new video. I've said it already, let me say it one more time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, DMC Life. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. There's a lot of other videos that we've done in the past. Actually, we're going to blend in a couple of them over here. If you like them, why not click there also, or click there if you would like to subscribe to the channel. All these kind of things, they help us really a lot. Let me say thank you one more time for watching this, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, thanks a lot.